didn't even start the vacuum. I just brought it out here. Can I vacuum? Can I vacuum now? Can I vacuum? Can I do it? No, no, why? Why can't I vacuum? It's just a vacuum. You don't like that vacuum, do you? The vacuum. Ferocious. So is this puppy. You're ferocious, Missy. Get that vacuum. Watch it. Make sure it don't do nothing. Watch it. It might move. It's not even on. Quit it.